How's it going, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video, and today we're installing this AUXITO LED light bulbs on my 2003 Toyota 4runner. And yeah, let's start with box opening. So to start off, we have a really tightly fitted lid, and then surprisingly they give you a pair of white gloves. This is very JDM and Asian, because we usually wear these white gloves, you know, while we're driving, working on stuff, doing some work. So I'm gonna put them on, you know. And then here's the product manual. And here come the beautiful, beautiful all aluminum AUXITO LED light bulbs with built-in fan and waterproof O-ring. Now, they make LED light bulbs for damn near every single car on the market. The link is going to be in the description below, and you can use my 15% off coupon code when you purchase. They're actually cheaper than AutoZone light bulbs, but you know, 15% off still makes a difference. Now let's install these. Man, these gloves are actually very, very comfy. Even though I can't think of another reason to wear these, and they're really small. But they are so comfortable and so like soft. Anyways, let's locate the low beam on the car, which is right over here. I don't think the white gloves helps with the filming. I now get a flathead screwdriver, pop it off, and just twist the old bulb off the socket. So I got this bulb from AutoZone. Cost me about $75 for two. It's decently bright, but I'm pretty sure it has nothing on these LED light bulbs. And now grab your LED bulb, simply twist it back on, and voila, you're done. And now all I need to do is wait for this big ass sun to go down and go for a test drive.
Alright, I just got out of a dinner. When I got here, the sun was still out, and now it's like 9 p.m. so it's dark enough outside. So this is going to be the first time for all of us to see how bright these bulbs are. Judging from the past experience, I'm going to say it's going to be pretty damn bright. Let's take a look. Alright, y'all ready? Ooh! Oh, wow. Damn, this is really, really bright. Oh, this is a surprise, a good surprise. You know, it's definitely like turn off, turn off. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get out of here. On the way back, I'm gonna film some footage just to show you guys what it looks like actually on the road, on the freeway, you know. But as for now, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure to go to the description down below, get yourself some LED lights, use my RZ Racing coupon code to get your 15% off when you check out. Thank you so much. Catch you next time.